Now you can see our thumbnail is ready. Here you do not need to waste your time. You do not need to waste making the dimension. You do not need to waste your time by drawing lines, by installing Adobe Photoshop, by installing any other software, by installing Pixlr or any other thing. You can make stunning and attractive thumbnail for your videos ready-made. Just click and re-edit the data according to your needs. And welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning, beautiful and attractive thumbnails for your YouTube videos without installing any software on your computer, without downloading and installing any sort of graphic software or application on your mobile phone. So without wasting the time, let's start this video. To do this, go to Play Store and just type here Canva and so I have a search. Now download and install this application that's called Canva Design and Video on your mobile phone. I have already downloaded and installed this, so I'm going to just open it up. You can see it needs a little bit of upload, so I will just open Canva. As soon as you open Canva, there are a lot of other features. We'll be talking about them in another video. So let us search here YouTube thumbnail. Type here YouTube thumbnail. Click OK. As soon as you search this, there will be a lot of free thumbnails already made. You can just edit them according to your need. You can add or remove. There are a lot of thumbnails you can see. Let's pick this one. Now wait for this to load the content. As soon as this content is loaded, now you can see our thumbnail is ready. Here you do not need to waste your time. You do not need to waste making the dimension. You do not need to waste your time by drawing lines, by installing Adobe Photoshop, by installing any other software, by installing Pixlr or any other thing. You can make stunning and attractive thumbnail for your videos ready-made. Just click and re-edit the data according to your needs. Let's just edit this. Now to edit this, click here. It will load. Now click edit. Now let us just change this according to our needs. How to make money online. Now you can see, just click here. It's very beautiful and it's according to our needs. In this video now, you can see, you can witness, we are not bringing anything. We are not worrying about what is the best size for YouTube thumbnail. We are not setting any aspect ratio. We are not setting anything. We are just editing and editing. Now you can click the picture and you can click replace. You can replace this photo with any photo from your camera roll, from your anything, from your images and from your videos. Now you can change any other thing like this. Now you can just, when you are finished, you can just download this. Click download. It will save your image. This is one of the best ways to create stunning, attractive thumbnail for your videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.